Hello my quilting enthusiasts, this is Adrienne from Especially For You Quilts with another quilt tip of the day. Have you ever had a quilt on a frame and you are ready to do a design and you need to evenly space that design across the quilt? And so you measure your quilt using a tape measure and you get a funky number like 63 3/8 or 92 5/8. How do you evenly divide that? Well, I have a way of showing you how to divide that evenly without using a tape and without using a calculator, by simply using a 99-cent roll of register tape. Let's go to the quilting frame and see how this works. So given this design right here, I wanted my curves to be evenly spaced across those 2 points. Normally I would measure from this point to this point to calculate how many inches that is, and then use a calculator to divide that to come up with an even number. And that can be difficult because I am no mathematician. So the most easiest way to do this is to take your register tape, put it at one corner, put a pin in it, and then stretch it along the fabric to the next corner, and then you can put a pin in it or mark it so you know where to cut it from. Now I have this distance from point to point. So we're going to take our tape, now that we have cut it, and we're going to fold it in half, making sure your ends are together. Then we take it and we fold it again, and then take it and fold it again. And so this was the width that I thought would look great for the curves that I made. You can continue to fold it just depending on your design, but this was the width. And so when you open this back up, and place it back on your quilt, you would make your registration points at each of the folds, and you would make your marks at each fold of the tape, as you see I have done here, all the way down. And now everything is even, and you can start your design from there. I hope that tip will work for you. Again, a quick way for you to evenly space your design on your quilt without a tape measure or a calculator. This is Adrienne again from Especially For You Quilts. See you next time. Bye.